Imagine stepping into a kitchen where you never have to chop an onion again. No more watery eyes, no more tedious prep work, just pure convenience at your fingertips. Or picture a world where burning your toast is a thing of the past. Every slice comes out golden brown, just the way you like it. Every single time. You simply walk in, speak your cravings aloud, and watch as robotic arms spring into action, grabbing fresh ingredients, measuring with scientific precision, and cooking up a flawless meal while you relax or catch up on your day. It might sound like something out of the Jetsons or a sci-fi movie, but this futuristic vision is already becoming a reality in homes around the world. This isn't just about having a fancy coffee maker or a smart fridge. It's a true culinary revolution that's changing the way we think about food and cooking. Imagine a system that not only stores thousands of recipes from top chefs, but actually learns from them, replicating their techniques and flavors with astonishing accuracy, right in your own home. No more lumpy sauces, no more overcooked steaks or underdone vegetables, just perfect restaurant-quality results every single time, no matter what you're craving. The idea of a robot chef might seem strange or even a little intimidating at first, but what if a machine could actually do it all? Maybe even better than a human chef. The robotic kitchen has officially crossed over from science fiction to reality, and it's transforming the way we prepare and enjoy our meals. We're entering a new era where technology isn't just a tool, but a creative partner, helping us experiment, innovate, and push the boundaries of what's possible in the kitchen. Engineering, advanced software, and the art of cooking are merging together, creating something truly extraordinary and never seen before. So, let's take a closer look at how these incredible machines actually work, and what goes on behind the scenes as they prepare your favorite dishes. We'll explore what these robot chefs can do, where they still have limitations, and what all of this means for the future of our meals and home cooking. The rules of cooking are being rewritten, not by tradition, but by lines of code and the precise movements of mechanical arms. The age of the robot chef has officially begun, so let's watch them get cooking and see just how far this technology can take us. For decades, robot helpers were pure science fiction, loyal butlers or quirky machines that existed only in the imaginations of filmmakers and writers. We saw them in black and white movies, clanking around kitchens, serving food with a mechanical smile, or in colorful cartoons, flipping pancakes with perfect precision. These robots were symbols of a future that felt impossibly far away, a world where technology would take care of our every need. The automated kitchen was a staple of futuristic storytelling, making us dream of an easier life. Magazine covers and TV shows promised a tomorrow where dinner cooked itself and chores vanished with the push of a button. Families gathered around, imagining a world where robots would free up their time for more important things. But turning those dreams into reality proved to be a massive challenge. Building a real robot chef wasn't just about assembling metal parts. It meant solving problems that even the best engineers struggled with for years. Cooking is incredibly complex. Sight, sound, smell, and touch all matter. A human chef relies on intuition, experience, and all five senses to create a perfect meal, making split-second decisions that are hard to teach a machine. For robots to cook, they need advanced sensors, precise motors, and smart AI to handle the delicate tasks of the kitchen. They must recognize ingredients, measure temperatures, and even adjust their grip on utensils just like a human would. The breakthrough finally came with advances in robotics, artificial intelligence, and sensor technology. These innovations allowed machines to see, feel, and react to the world around them in ways that were once impossible. Robotic arms became smaller, safer, and more precise. AI got smarter, learning from thousands of recipes and cooking techniques. Sensors could now mimic human senses, detecting subtle changes in texture, aroma, and temperature. When you combine all these breakthroughs, the idea of a robot chef transforms from fantasy into a real engineering project. Teams of experts now work together to bring these machines to life, testing them in real kitchens and refining their skills. Today in 2025, robotic kitchens actually exist, though they're still rare and expensive. They are no longer just a dream. These high-tech systems can prepare entire meals, from chopping vegetables to plating gourmet dishes. Around the world, companies are racing to build smarter, more capable systems that do what we once only imagined. Each year, new prototypes and products push the boundaries of what's possible in the kitchen. The journey from sci-fi fantasy to kitchen reality was long and full of obstacles, but we've finally made it. The technology we once saw on screen is now part of our daily lives. The future of cooking is here, unfolding before our eyes, not just on the horizon, but right in our homes, changing the way we eat and live. Why do we want robot chefs? The answer: convenience. Imagine coming home to a hot, healthy meal, no effort, no stress. It's about reclaiming our time and reducing daily anxiety. A robot chef follows recipes perfectly, eliminating human error. It empowers those lacking confidence or physical ability to enjoy great food at home. For people with disabilities or the elderly, it's a gateway to independence and better nutrition. This isn't just luxury, it's life-changing for many. Plus, the variety is endless. A robot kitchen can cook thousands of recipes from around the world. One night Italian, the next Thai, then French. Your kitchen becomes a global restaurant. The robot learns from master chefs and brings their skills to your table. You're no longer limited by your own skills, just your appetite. The robot handles the rest. Welcome to a new era of home cooking. So, how does a robot turn ingredients into dinner? The core is a pair of robotic arms, delicate, precise, and agile. These arms are controlled by AI, which learns from human chefs using motion capture technology. Every chop, stir, and sprinkle is digitized and stored. The AI becomes the brain, directing the arms with perfect memory. Cameras and sensors act as the robot's eyes and hands, mapping the kitchen and detecting ingredients. Pressure sensors let it handle eggs gently or grip pans securely. Temperature sensors ensure perfect cooking. You pick a recipe, the AI retrieves the motions, and the arms execute every step. The system works in harmony, brain, eyes, and hands, for a flawless meal. It's a complex dance of hardware and software, all for the sake of a perfect dinner. That's the magic behind the machine. Let's look at a real-world example that's redefining how we think about home cooking: Moley Robotics. Moley has created the world's first fully robotic kitchen. It's not just a concept, but a working, sleek, and ultra-modern kitchen equipped with two highly advanced robotic arms that move with incredible precision and grace. What makes this system truly remarkable is how it learns. Top chefs, like MasterChef winner Tim Anderson, actually teach the robot by cooking in front of it. Every movement, every stir, and every technique is captured and digitized, creating a virtual recipe book of professional skills. Thanks to this technology, anyone with a Moley kitchen can enjoy gourmet dishes, like Anderson's signature crab bisque, prepared to perfection anytime they want, without lifting a finger. The entire kitchen is self-contained. The robotic arms handle everything: cooking on the stovetop, using the oven, washing up at the sink, and even managing the cleanup process automatically. All you have to do is select a recipe from the touchscreen interface, load in the fresh ingredients, and press start. The robot takes care of the rest, following the chef's instructions down to the smallest detail. After the meal is cooked and served, the robot even washes the dishes and tidies up, leaving your kitchen spotless and ready for the next culinary adventure. Of course, this kind of cutting-edge technology comes at a price. Right now, a Moley kitchen costs hundreds of thousands of dollars, making it a luxury item for only a select few. But just like computers and flat-screen TVs, Moley's vision is to make robotic kitchens more affordable and accessible over time, so that one day, more people can experience this innovation in their own homes. Today, it's a symbol of luxury and exclusivity, but it's also paving the way for a future where robot chefs could become a common sight in everyday kitchens. Think of Moley as the Model S of robotic kitchens: sleek, exclusive, and a glimpse into the future of home cooking, much like how luxury electric cars hinted at the future of transportation. The future of cooking is being built right now, one meal at a time, as innovation and technology come together to transform the heart of the home. What's the real benefit of a robot chef? Consistency. Humans have off days, robots don't. Your favorite dish will taste the same every time. Precise measurements, flawless technique. Robots are efficient, multitasking and minimizing waste. They make cooking faster and more sustainable. For the elderly or those with mobility issues, robots make kitchens safer and more accessible. This tech can help people stay independent and enjoy home-cooked meals longer, and the culinary exploration is endless. Most of us stick to familiar recipes, but a robot chef opens up a world of new dishes. Thousands of global recipes, all prepared with authentic techniques. Dinner becomes an adventure, your own personal chef, mastering every cuisine. The robot doesn't just cook, It expands your palate. It's a passport to global flavors, right in your kitchen. That's the promise of robotic cooking. But what do we lose with robot chefs? Creativity and improvisation. Cooking is about experimenting, tasting, and happy accidents. Robots can't improvise or have creative sparks. There's also the emotional connection. Cooking is an act of love, a tradition, a way to care for others. Can a robot replicate the feeling of a meal made with love? The cost is another issue. Right now, robotic kitchens are a luxury for the wealthy. This could widen the gap between those who can afford perfect meals and those who can't. And what about losing a vital life skill? Cooking teaches nutrition, planning, and self-sufficiency. If we rely on robots, we risk losing our connection to food and the satisfaction of making a meal ourselves. Convenience is great, but it might make us less capable in the long run. The trade-offs are real. What's next? The future kitchen will likely be a mix of smart, collaborative appliances. Imagine a smart fridge tracking your ingredients, a smart oven preheating itself, and a robotic arm handling repetitive tasks. The key will be affordability and modularity, adding robotic helpers to existing kitchens, not replacing everything at once. This hybrid approach lets people upgrade over time as tech gets cheaper. AI will get smarter, learning your preferences and even creating new recipes. The kitchen of 2050 will be smarter, more connected, and seamlessly integrated. Clunky arms will give way to sleek, quiet solutions. The goal isn't to replace human cooks, but to empower them. Robots will handle the chores, freeing us for creativity and joy. The future kitchen is about partnership, not replacement. It's a space where humans and robots cook side by side. That's the real evolution. We've gone from sci-fi to real robotic kitchens, exploring their benefits and what we might lose. The promise: less cleanup, fewer disasters, more time, and a passport to global cuisine. But cooking is also about creativity, tradition, and connection. Things robots can't replicate. As this tech becomes more accessible, we'll each face a choice. Will you embrace full automation, use robots as assistants, or keep your kitchen human only? There's no right answer, just what matters most to you. Imagine it's 2035, and a friendly kitchen robot is available. Would you let it cook your meals, or do you believe some things are better left in human hands? The future of your kitchen is up to you. What will you choose?